We are continuing our coverage of the coronavirus pandemic. City, state, and federal authorities are working to slow the spread of COVID-19. Nationwide, more than 2,900 people have developed the virus. Locally, 45 people in Virginia have tested positive for COVID-19. 8 of those are in James City County. On the south side, Virginia Beach is reporting 4 cases. North Carolina is reporting 32 cases of COVID-19 in 13 counties, none of them deadly. The governors of both states have shut down public schools for the next 2 weeks. Both governors are also not only advising people to practice social distancing, but they're banning mass public gatherings. Our Tamara Scott has been following the latest developments. She joins us now from the newsroom. Tamara.
Well, Kayla, when Governor Northam addressed the public today, he emphasized decisions on banning huge crowds in schools for the time being is in the best interest for everyone right now. And he's asking people to use common sense.
Ask yourself if it's really that important that you go out right now. Social distancing now can save lives later.
The big message today from state leaders is to stay home. This as coronavirus continues to spread throughout the world and here in Hampton Roads. With the first death reported yesterday for a man in his 70s on the peninsula, there have been changes for the state.
What we are trying to achieve here is the kind of social distancing that experts tell us is critical to stopping the spread of the virus.
Governor Northam and Virginia Peninsula officials came together today and announced the number of confirmed cases has risen to 45 people as of Sunday morning, one of which is a Virginia Beach woman in her 70s. Governor Northam is banning gatherings of more than 100 people statewide. The state health commissioner, Norman Oliver, says with each case, they do contact investigation to trace who has it, where they got it, but that process can be challenging.
The cases in the peninsula, as I said, were all clustered around 2 index cases, except for one case, which we were unable to find any source of exposure. And it's that case that makes us concerned for the likelihood of community spread.
All the local government offices on the peninsula will close to the public, but they will continue to provide services like picking up trash. The declaration of an emergency closes schools, restricts visitors to nursing homes, and limits state employee travel. But even in your personal decision-making, Governor Northam said avoiding larger crowds is what could make the difference.
I urge Virginians, particularly those in places where there are known outbreaks, such as the peninsula, to please stay home. If you're going to a crowded bar or a large church full of people, I would urge you to rethink those plans.
Now the CDC is recommending to avoid mass gatherings of people for the next 8 weeks. Stay with Wavy TV for the latest. Tamara Scott, 10 on your side.